I paid way too damn much for this pair of shoes. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Now today, the pair of shoes I have is something I've been excited for a long time. In fact, I overpaid for them just to try and get them in early, and of course, StockX. But hey, listen, we got a pair of shoes we need to get into, so let's do just that. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new Jordan 4 Sashiko. Okay, next thing is obviously we gotta work on the packaging as well, StockX. Right, okay, yes, so special packaging is what you get. Wow, really special packaging. Oh, at least they put a little bit of bubble wrap. That's always a good thing. Take a look at the box. This is insane. Again, I'm so excited to see these. I haven't seen these yet. I'm itching to get into this. So without further ado, just take a little look at this box. Plenty of different crazy designs. This is by no means a familiar look for the Jordan 4. Wow. Yes. This is what I wanted. The Jordan 4 Sashiko. Damn it, you don't get extra laces. Damn it. That is really annoying that you don't get extra laces, because that was like the first thing I was gonna do was swap this lacing out to just match this pair of shoes. But hey, this is how they come. Let me pull out the little shoe cardboard piece thing so we can feel these materials. Wow, listen, if you're familiar with the Jordan 4, yeah, this is very different. This is almost a complete remake of the Jordan 4 entirely. I mean, we've got the same design, we've got the same paneling, but the materials, the look, the design elements is just completely different. Okay, so I mean, wow, can you just appreciate for a second how amazingly detailed this pair of shoes is? There's so many different elements to it, so many different little details that, you know, you may miss just by skimming over this. And of course, we'll get into all of that and more, but first let's get into some of the specifics on this pair of Jordan 4s. So of course, these did release on December the 5th. I got them from StockX because I thought I was gonna be slick and get an early review out there, but obviously that doesn't happen when you order from StockX. And getting back to the shoe, of course, if you haven't seen this pair or you're just like, well, we didn't get a release, well, that's probably because you're out in the US, because yeah, sorry guys, you did not get this pair. This was exclusive to the EU, and actually I feel like the US was the only place that didn't get them. And when this did release, these retail for a little bit more than a pair of Jordan 4s, so you might be familiar with the $165 that you would pay for a Jordan 4. However, this goes for $190 at retail. Personally, I am a huge Jordan 4 fan. It's like one of my favorite Jordan models of all time. I love the design, I love how it looks on foot, so when something like this comes along, it's definitely something that I'm itching to take a look at. I tell you, you're gonna have to look long and hard because there is a ton going on. So the name Sashiko is an inspiration for Nike that they've used on quite a few different models, and now they're bringing it to the Jordan 4, but essentially inspired by all of this really intricate kind of embroidery and denim aspect to it, because it's a form of Japanese denim. Now, the exact materials on this, yes, they do feel like denim. It's all kind of different patches. It's almost like every single panel has a different design. So literally from the mudguard to the toe box to the side panels to the plastic or rubber overlays, it's all something different. Not only that, but from left to right, you're getting different colors, different panels. And I think this is a spectacularly beautiful pair of shoes. I think if you're kind of used to the regular Jordan 4, this might be a little bit of a surprise for you. Trust me, I was a little bit surprised as well, just to feel this. It's kind of familiar, but at the same time, so completely different. So as you can see, they come laced differently. So one has this kind of deep blue color and the other one is sporting this red lace option. And that's kind of my biggest gripe about it. I don't particularly like this red lace option. However, they don't give you any extras, so that might be something I alter down the road, maybe try and find some that match this color. So if we really break down these materials, it is a denim feeling material. Now, to really go into detail on every single panel might just be a little bit ridiculous, and this video might be 10 years long. So what's kind of interesting is, you know, the normal kind of plastic texturized rubber material that is on both of the little windows on a regular Jordan 4? Well, this one has tried to mimic it, but it's just done it with some white stitching, which I think looks so insane and so cool. I really, really like that. Now, I gotta say that the materials feel pretty stiff, like it feels pretty hardcore, so I expect over time these are only gonna get more comfortable once you break them in. But yeah, it's not like some of the other Jordan 4s that have quite a nice plush leather. It's a little bit stiff when you get it fresh out the box. The tongue is pretty massive, and a little bit annoyingly, it is detached, so it kind of rolls over to the side a little bit. Now, wearing it, I didn't really find it to be such a problem, but it's pretty stiff and you can kind of feel it on foot. Right at the top, you get a really nice patch which is embroidered with the white Jumpman logo, and you have the flight text right underneath it. Something that's on pretty much every single Jordan 4 is on the reverse of the tongue, you get a little patch. Now, interestingly, again, this differs from shoe to shoe, but this one has that patch, but it doesn't say anything. General color scheme is what Nike is calling deep ocean, so it is kind of like a darkish blue color, which I'm a huge fan of. It's very, very wearable. I mean, it looks sick. You do get this kind of patchwork of this red color, which goes for this left shoe on the bottom medial side and of course the tongue, and on this right shoe it's down over by the toe box and of course the laces, which yeah, you definitely want to get rid of that. But hey, I'm absolutely in love with this pair. I think it is super, super cool. I know the retail price being a little bit higher is a little bit annoying. Trust me, I wish they stuck to the regular Jordan 4 retail price. However, you are getting a lot of really interesting designs and a lot of really cool materials on this pair. So that pretty much wraps it up for the Jordan 4 Deep Ocean, or Sashiko, whatever you want to call it. I'm in love with this pair. Hopefully you guys let me know what you think of it down in the comment section below. But hey, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.